What was the precursor to the katana? Around the year 700 in Yamato province, there lived a swordsmith named Amakuni. Most of his early swords matched those of mainland China and Korea, with a straight shape and blades on either one or both edges. Since Japanese warfare differed from that of the mainland, these blades would often break or get damaged in battle. Wondering what he could do to improve his swords, Amakuni and his son locked themselves in Amakuni's workshop and prayed for 7 days and 7 nights. When they achieved enlightenment, Amakuni immediately began to craft a blade unlike any other, a strong curved single-edged blade known as a tachi. This sword was much better suited to the Japanese style of sword fighting. While skeptical at first, soldiers began returning with their swords in great condition, and with stories of their excellence in battle. Tachis soon became the standard, and as improvements were made over the years, this design eventually gave way to our personal favorite sword, the katana.